Let's look at this example on decimal. What I want you to do, pause the video, work it out, show your answer for A and B. You might need to use a calculator, I believe so, but anyway, go ahead and pause and work it out now. Okay, good. What did you get? Let's go through it together. We are to evaluate 1.9 times 10 to the 3 divided by 0.7 squared. So, what we have here is 1.9 by 10 to the third power divided by 0.7. All of that squared. Alright? So, 1.9 by 10 to the 3 means the same as 1.9 times 1,000. Alright, now we're going to divide by 0.7, all of that squared. So 1.9 times 1,000 is 1,900 divided by 0.7, all of that squared. Alright, we don't really have a clean way of working out 1,900 divided by 0.7, so let's use our calculator and see what that gives us. 1,900 divided by 0.7 equal. Now, let us write it to 5 decimal places first of all. 2714.2857. So what we have is 2714.2857. 2714.2857. Then you are asked to express your answer in standard form. Now this was part A. For part B, in writing this in standard form, remember you have the first non-zero digit, then the decimal point, then the other digits. Now we have many other digits here. We don't really need to write all of them. We can round off. They did not tell you to round it off to whether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is, decimal places or significant figures. So let's just round this off to say 5 significant figures. What would this be to 5 significant figures? We already have the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and then the fifth significant figure. We'd stop at 2, but we see that the number to the immediate right of 2 is 8, and 8, as long as it is 5 or greater, you must add 1 to the number where you're going to stop. So we add 1 to 2 and you get 3, and then this multiplied by 10 to a power, 10 to the what power? We would have to multiply 2.7143 by 1,000 to make it 2,714 point something. So times 1,000 means you multiply by 10 to the 3, because if you multiply this by 1,000, what you're really saying is we have 2.7143 times 10 to the power of 3. And this now is your answer in standard form.